In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit time off in BambooHR. Now to do this, first you want to go to either the My Info tab or here on your dashboard you can scroll down and click on where it says time off and then click over here to actually open up the time off inside your account, okay? So whenever you've done this, here you can make your edits. Now it depends on which edits you want to make. If I scroll down over here, you'll be able to see the time off you actually have, and you can just click on either of these buttons over here to customize it, to add it, to calculate it, or of course to basically change or record time off over here. And you can then go down here where you can see your upcoming time off. Now over here inside the upcoming time off, you can just click on the edit button next to the time off you actually want to edit, and this is going to allow you to make all the changes that you want. So in my case, it's going to pop up like a window over here, and I can change of course the dates. So I can go from currently I have the 8th of July to 10th of July for an example over here. I could change this by clicking on this calendar icon and selecting different dates. Then you can also change time off categories over here. So if I click on time off category, I have sick leave, I have like a bunch of different things here. I'm just going to leave it like it is, so annual leave and holiday, of course, slash holiday. And then over here you can also just select and change your amount, and you can just add a note if you want to, and then click on save, and that's going to save your changes. And that's how you edit time off in BambooHR. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.